Buddhism and Olympic spirituality. Exploring the intersection of inner peace and athletic excellence throughout history, the Olympic Games have brought together athletes from around the world, competing not just for medals, but for the spirit of unity, peace, and excellence. Interestingly, these core values align closely with the teachings of Buddhism. Both Buddhism and the Olympic spirit emphasize the importance of inner peace, mindfulness, and the pursuit of personal excellence. Buddhism, founded by Siddhartha Gautama, teaches the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path as a way to attain enlightenment and inner peace. These principles encourage individuals to live ethically, develop mental discipline, and cultivate wisdom. Mindfulness, a key aspect of Buddhism, is the practice of being fully present and aware of one's thoughts, emotions, and actions. This focus on the present moment enables individuals to perform at their highest potential, free from distraction and stress. Similarly, Olympic athletes train diligently to master their sports, requiring not only physical prowess but also mental discipline and focus. The philosophy of the Olympics, as outlined in the Olympic Charter, underscores the harmonious development of mind and body, aiming to create a way of life based on the joy of effort, educational value, and respect for universal fundamental ethical principles. This holistic approach resonates with Buddhist teachings that advocate for a balanced life and the interconnectedness of all things. Moreover, the Buddhist practice of meditation can be particularly beneficial for athletes. Meditation helps in reducing anxiety, enhancing concentration, and maintaining emotional balance, all of which are crucial for peak performance. Many athletes incorporate meditation and mindfulness techniques into their training regimens to improve focus, recover faster, and handle the pressures of competition. In essence, the intersection of Buddhism and Olympic spirituality highlights a profound synergy between inner peace and athletic excellence. Both traditions inspire individuals to transcend their limitations, achieve personal growth, and contribute to a more compassionate and peaceful world. This alignment of values illustrates that the pursuit of excellence, whether in spiritual practice or athletic endeavors, can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and a greater sense of unity with others.